Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete a file that won't delete Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're unable to delete a file on Windows 11, it could be due to various reasons, such as the file being in use, lacking proper permissions, or corruption. Here are several methods you can try to delete a stubborn file. First method. Sometimes you can only just restart your PC to resolve issues within files that are in use or locked by a process. Then you can't delete them again. Next method. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Look for any processes that might be using the file. Click on the process and choose End Task. Try deleting the file again. Another method. Press Win plus S. Then type cmd. Click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Navigate to the directory containing the file using the cd command. For example, I'm on the File Explorer and I'm going to delete this file. Right click on it, then hit on Copy as Path. Now, use the delete command to delete the file. For example, the file extension. Confirm the deletion it prompted. Another method. Press Win plus R. I just type msconfig and press enter. Go to the boot tab and check Save Boot with the minimal option. Click Apply and OK, then restart your PC. Try deleting the file in safe mode. Now, after deleting, open msconfig again, uncheck Save Boot, and restart normally. By following these methods, you should be able to delete any stubborn file on Windows 11. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.